Welcome to Reckless Ranch, where we do all sorts of fun, stupid stuff all the time. Whether it's burnouts, peeling out, jumping stuff, whatever it is. But right here we have a 2018, well, and my lunch, 2018 YXZ1000R SE. So it's none of that wussy sport shift stuff. This one actually has the full clutch pedal, everything. You have to manually shift it. And right now we're running 31, 10, 50, 15s on there, which are super fun and looks really good. But I also own and run Hastings Tire, and just the other day I had a set of these little 15-inch tires, studded tires, get taken off, and the owner didn't want them. And I thought, you know what would be fun? Put those on the back of this. Go do some turkey and all the rest of our ridiculous birds. Anyway, this is Reckless Ranch. This is the playground. Fields out back. Random cars everywhere, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put a track out there in that corner. I had one for a while. It wasn't set up how I liked it, so brought in a ton of fill dirt and getting kind of ready to make it how I want it. Gotta get the tractor fixed too, but yeah. So anyway, while you guys wait, I'm gonna put this on time lapse, so you don't have to sit here for the whole time, but you kind of see what I'm doing. And it pays off when you have all your own tire equipment, so you can just flip this stuff back and forth. A couple minutes, doesn't matter. Then we go take this thing for a rip. See how much fun we have, bang through some gears. But anyway, hang tight. Here's the ridiculous finished product here. One last look at it before we go shred some dirt, some driveway. I think this is gonna be ridiculously fun. This thing's gonna spin those like there's no tomorrow. It looks dumb as hell, but the fun factor is gonna be worth it. Ride along here. Taking these is kind of hard. You don't get a good view of it, but it's noisy in these YXZs, but it's worth it. That didn't sound good. Whoops. Pluck these studs out. Probably do some smoky burnouts with it, I'm suspecting. Makes it slide around pretty nice.